friends of the GOAT, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to multiply fractions and whole numbers. Now I already know. You don't have to say it again because you already told me. Hey GOAT, I told you before, me and fractions, I don't mess with them. Right? I ain't messing with fractions, right? But I'm going to tell you it's so easy. Right? It's going to be so easy, you're going to be thankful when you get that. Right? You're going to be like, I got fractions? I got fractions, I can multiply these? Right? This is 100. Right? I'm getting a sticker on it. It's going in the fridge. Right? It's going to be amazing. Right? So here we go. First thing you want to know, though, is that every whole number is actually a fraction too. Okay? And you can do this for all of them, right? So the first number we're going to look at is 4, right? So we're going to look at 4. Did you know 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1? I know, it's crazy, right? And you can do it for any number, right? So the next one, look at 5. 5, right? So what's 5 as a fraction? Boom. 5 over 1. What? Did you know this? And you go to any number, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Any number you can think of. 150? Boom. Easy. 150 over 1. How cool was that? Right? So now we know that. We can take that on and move on to the second part. Alright? Let's go get it. Alright. Here we are. Part 2. Multiplying fractions and whole numbers. Alright? So we're going to take what we just learned and we're just going to apply it right here. Right? And it's going to be so easy. We're going to be done and we're going to be sipping on some iced tea. And it's going to be delicious. Alright, let's go get it. Alright, so you got 2 over 3 times 4. Okay, it looks difficult. It looks difficult. Listen, I'm not taking it away from you. It does look difficult, but it's going to be easy. Alright? So we're going to go ahead and just go get it. Alright? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it. Okay? I'm going to rewrite it. You're going to rewrite it. And it's going to be great. Alright? Here we go. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 over 3 times, now what do I know? What do I know? I know what 4 is, right? 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1. So it's going to be 4 over 1. Boom. Now, remember what I told you before, right? We did a video a couple days ago, and it was, you just multiply across, right? So we're just going to multiply across, okay? So we're just going to take 2, and we're going to times it by 4. Okay? 2 times 4 is 8. Boom. Now we're going to do the next thing, right? We're going to do 3 times 1. Alright? 3 times 1. Everyone knows 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 over 3. There you go. There's your answer. Alright? I told you it was simple. Right? Did I lie to you? Did the GOAT lie to you? The GOAT would never lie to you. Alright? Alright, so you got 8 over 3 as your answer, and now your teacher won't stop talking about it being improper, right? Oh no, about it being improper. Okay? Listen, I'm going to show you what's improper if you don't put 100 on my paper, teach. Right? Okay. We don't need to go that far, though. We don't need to go that far because the GOAT's here to help, and it's going to be easy. Okay? I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be okay. All right, so let's take a look at this. We got 8 over 3. Okay? It's what they call an improper fraction. So what we do with an improper fraction is we're going to turn it into a mixed number. All right? We're going to mixtape this thing. Right? So here we go. We're going to divide, right? We're just going to shove that 8 off of there. Right? And we're going to divide. So it's going to be 8 divided by 3. Okay? So how many times now can 3 go into 8 without going over? Okay? So let's think about 3 times tables, right? We got 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? 9 is too high, right? So we're going to go with that second one, right? So 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, right? So it's going to be 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is easy. Everyone knows it. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2. So now we have a remainder of 2. Alright, so here's what we have. That's our picture. Alright, here's what we're going to do. Alright, so this guy up here, this big number right there, that's going here. That's your big number. Okay? That's your big number. Okay? Now you're going to take the remainder, and the remainder is going to be your numerator, right? Your top number. Okay? So the 2 goes there. Now your denominator, or your bottom number, we're going to take from back to the beginning, right? That's going to be that 3. Alright? So the 3 goes right on there. Right? So now you got 2. And 2 over 3 is your answer. Okay? So you're going to take that paper. You're going to hang it back to the teacher. Right? He's going to put that 100 on that paper. Right? You're going to put 100 with a smiley face sticker. Right? Who knows? Maybe get 2 stickers. Right? Because you did it that good. Okay? This is the GOAT Teacher's Math. Right? Fraction addition. Okay? You're going to hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to see you next time. Peace!